Now let's move on to the last portion of this exercise related to comprehension. Read the passage and answer the questions given at the end. Then I grasped the child's head with my left hand and tried to get the wooden tongue depressed between her teeth. She fought with clenched teeth desperately, but now I also had grown furious at a child. I tried to hold myself down, but I could not. I know how to expose a throat for inspections, and I did my best. When finally I got the wooden spatula between the last teeth and just the point of it into the mouth cavity, she opened up for an instant, but before I could see anything, she came down again and gripped the wooden blade between her molars. She reduced it to splinters before I could get it out again. Now let's discuss some questions related to this comprehension. So the first question which we have here is, why did the doctor become furious? The doctor became furious because of the resistance of the child, as she would not let the doctor examine her throat. She was making the job of the doctor difficult by keeping her teeth clenched tightly. The second question is, what instrument did the doctor use to open her mouth? The doctor used a wooden spatula in order to open the mouth of the patient. The third question is, why did she grip the wooden blade between her molars? The answer is, she gripped the wooden blade between her molars to clench her teeth tightly because she was scared and did not want the doctor to examine her throat. The next question is, write down the main idea of the paragraph. The answer is, this excerpt has been taken from the story The Use of Force by William Carlos Williams. It revolves around the idea that when children resist getting themselves examined, the use of force becomes necessary to save their lives. Otherwise, it can even lead to their death in case of severe health issues for not getting medically treated. Although the doctor remains patient at the beginning of the story, later he had to make the child open her mouth forcefully by placing a silver spoon at the back of her mouth for her own good. So we are done with this exercise as well. We will discuss the exercise of the next chapter in the next video, inshallah. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. Allah Hafiz.